Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on board one of the only 2025 Aviara 36 outboards in the nation. And this one is a little bit special. One of those special points is at the rear. This is a twin V10 boat. If you don't know, the quietest motor in Mercury Marine's history, those are a wonderful experience to be in front of. In addition to that, these are often 2 or 3 color boats, but a lot of times you see some gray here. This boat has a black and white color scheme with its gray interior that I love. Being a 2025, you're gonna see way more detail on the seats than past boats. That is nice. That little bit of detail steps this up just a touch, and I'll show you some more places it has it. This is a sunshade boat. Aviara has done their sunshade very well with the option to put rear stanchions that hold it when it's in a rougher scenario. Teak table for the cabin. This boat is also a light countertop boat. In this case, when you don't have a grill, you pick up a very usable lounger and keep your refrigerator. What I wanted to point out about detail, look at these cup holders. We did this once, by the way. We counted cup holders on these boats. It's around 20. But the detail in there is just something you don't find elsewhere. They have spots to hold your phones. They have clip-set stereo in them. That is truly a wonderful stereo system. And on a 36, you pick up that forward-facing seat that we love, and you don't lose your trash. This anodized door is a little spring-loaded trash compartment that keeps your deck wonderfully clean. I love that about this 36. You pick up a step-up helm if you want it. That same tri-screen layout that we love, asymmetrical. It's got joystick. It's got auto trim tabs on this particular boat. And the 36, if you didn't know, picks up an incredibly usable cabin with a effectively stand-up height head. Depending on your height, you might duck a little bit, but it's a separated head, just makes that space wonderful. And guys, remember, I'm 6 foot tall and this windshield is hitting me at my shoulder. For those sitting in the back of the boat, if you're using this boat through the winter, it works really well. The other benefit to that is it's very deep when you come to the bow. It's incredibly secure, very comfortable place to ride, and it's Aviara, so 2, 4, 6, 8 cup holders just in the bow, stereo controls, your own speakers up here, grab rails. Guys, Aviara did this boat wonderfully, and it is a fun one to have. If you want to see this specific black and white 36 Aviara, it's at MarineMax in Sarasota. I'm Jeremiah, and you can call any of our sales team here, and they'll get you on this 2025 Aviara 36 outboard. We'll see you on the water.